Hello everyone, it's me QR and I warmly welcome to all of you to my official YouTube channel Opportunities Expo. Opportunities Expo has been recently set up by myself to provide a platform to audience about fully funded scholarships for bachelor's, master's and PhD programs in the top schools in US, Canada, UK, New Zealand, Germany, Hong Kong, China and many other countries. Moreover, I will provide brilliant opportunities information about different fully funded conferences, fellowships, seminars, workshops, free online courses on gender equality, climate adaptation, project cycle management, organize shop talks with different humanitarian professionals, and provide different UN General Assembly events information. Last but not least, I will also provide information and guidance about different jobs and internship opportunities within UN agencies and different international organizations. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon button to receive the latest videos. Thank you very much and good luck.